Debbie Chu here from Chew on Vegan, and welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm going to be making a chickpea salad using some vegan mayonnaise, homemade vegan mayonnaise from the Starch Solution. Really good stuff. But before I do, I want to welcome you if you're new to my channel. And on my channel, you're going to find healthy, quick, easy recipes. I'm a nurse, so I like to present healthy recipes to you, things that are going to improve your health. So with that, let's get started, and let me show you what I have going on over here. So over here, I've got 1 can of chickpeas, which I have rinsed and drained. If this is probably for 2 people, if you have a larger family, you might want to use 2 cans. I've got some red onion. You can use any kind of onion you'd like. I've got some bread and butter pickles. You could use dill, sweet, whatever you like. I've got our mayonnaise I talked about, a little bit of Dijon mustard, and some salt and pepper. So that's basically the ingredients that I use, and I'm not going to put this on bread today. I'm just going to do this in lettuce cups. I try to avoid bread. Bread doesn't really agree with me, but if you have no problems with bread, then you can have a delicious chickpea sandwich. So I'm going to bring you closer so you can see what's going on. Now there's a couple different ways you can mash up your beans. You can use a potato masher, which works. If you don't want to do that, you could just simply use a fork. It might take you a little bit longer, but it definitely does the trick if you happen to not have a potato masher. So you just want to make sure that you smash these. You could leave some whole if you'd like, but basically you want to get a nice rough little mash here, and you want to do that first before you start adding everything else. So I like it about this consistency. There's a couple little chunks in there. You want it to resemble like tuna or, you know, shredded chicken. So we've got that all done. And then I'm going to add my onion. It's about a 1/4 cup. A couple tablespoons of my pickles. And then I'm going to get my mayo here. Look at that, it's creamy. And I'm going to start with just like a couple tablespoons. You can always add, you can't take away. And then I'm just going to do another little squirt of Dijon, maybe like a teaspoon, and a little bit of salt and some pepper. And then we just want to mix, and if you think you want to add a little bit more of the mayo, which I think I probably will, but I like to start off with less. I'll just add a teeny bit more. Then you want to go ahead and taste it. That's perfect. Oh, you know what I forgot? My celery. You guys were probably wondering what I was going to do with that. Gotta have some celery. And this is just 1 rib. I cut in half, and then I'm just going to dice small. What a goofball. So throw that in. We'll stir it up again. Get that celery all mixed in. Yum. Gotta have that celery for that crunch. And I like the color too. Now I just have some romaine hearts, organic. I'm just gonna cut off the end here. And I'll just cut these in half. Or you could leave them if you want them larger, that's fine. So I just take a couple of these, and then you just add some of your mixture to the lettuce. That looks about good. And then I like to add a little bit of chopped tomato. So add a little bit of tomato. And then you kind of fold it up like a taco. So I'm going to make a few more of these, and then we'll give it a taste. So here they are. But this McDougal mayo that I put in here is so versatile. You could use it in salad dressings, you could use it in dips. So it's not just for chickpea sandwiches. So let's give this a taste. Here we go. It's so good. It's so refreshing. You get that bite from the celery and the onion, a little bit of sweetness from the pickle. And like I said, you could use it on bread if you want to dip crackers into it. However you want to enjoy this, that's up to you. So I hope you give this one a try. It's good for you, it's good for the animals, and it's good for the planet. And remember, what you put on your plate determines your fate. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And if you haven't already, please subscribe. Until next time, thank you.